This is the NOAA weather radio for Tulsa, Oklahoma. A nationwide EAS glitch is occurring at this time. The text-to-speech engine has failed.
Commercial use is prohibited. On set, ongoing. This is a demo of voice text, TTS.
Oh my word.
A line of thunderstorms will continue moving south across far southeast Oklahoma late this afternoon.
I just got a notification from Clay Ranger 143 on Discord and YouTube, and this is in fact a nationwide glitch.
Locally damaging winds remain possible with these storms across southern Cushmataha and Choctaw counties. This version is strictly for demonstration purposes only. Please contact our sales support team in order to obtain a valid license for commercial use. Heat index
Oh my word!
105 degrees across Choctaw County until the line of thunderstorms arrive. This is a demo of the voice text English TTS system.
This is the Fayetteville Tower. Let's see if the Tulsa Tower in Springdale is suffering the same glitch.
Strictly zero. Provides the people of Southwest Missouri with the latest forecast.
Okay, this is Springfield.
And warnings from the National Weather Service in Springfield, Missouri. If you have problems with reception of this broadcast, please contact the radio manufacturer or call us at 417-863-8028. If you have questions or comments concerning this broadcast, please contact the National Weather Service email at contact.sgf@noaa.gov or write to the National Weather Service, 5805 West Highway EE, Springfield, Missouri, 65802. For even more weather information from your National Weather Service, check out the following internet websites: www.weather.gov/SGF. The current time is 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Your license has expired.
It's happening in Springfield, Missouri.
Verification file. Please contact our sales support team from any unauthorized commercial use is prohibited. Public reporting the Missouri Ozark sunny with the temperature.
This is a national glitch.
Strictly for demonstration purposes only. Please contact
Oh my word.
in order to obtain a valid license for commercial use.
That is horrible.
It was sunny with a temperature of
Yeah, because that's, you know why that's bad? Because if they're trying to transmit an emergency bulletin through, like, say, severe weather, if it continues to say that, it hiccups. I'm showing the radio. That's all I can see.
It was sunny and temperatures were between
It's not close. I can't see anything else. But if it continues to hiccup like this, that could cause issues with notifications.
Showers and thunderstorms will affect far southern Missouri.